Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry leaves powder at home. First, select fresh, vibrant curry leaves. Make sure they are thoroughly washed and completely dry before you begin. Carefully pluck the leaves from their stems, discarding any damaged ones. Then, spread these clean leaves in a single layer on a large tray or a clean cloth, preparing them for the drying process. Now, let's dry those leaves. You can sun-dry them for about 2 to 3 days, turning occasionally until they become brittle and crisp. If you prefer, a food dehydrator works well too. Set it to 100 degrees Fahrenheit for several hours. The key is to ensure the leaves are absolutely dry, as any moisture can lead to mold and spoil your powder. Once your curry leaves are perfectly dry and crisp, it's time to turn them into powder. Transfer the dried leaves to a clean blender or spice grinder. Process them until you achieve a fine, consistent powder. For an extra touch of flavor and to help with preservation, you can add a small pinch of salt before grinding. Store your finished powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. Your homemade curry leaves powder is incredibly versatile. You can add 1 to 2 teaspoons to your favorite curries, stews, or lentil dishes for a burst of authentic flavor. It's also fantastic sprinkled over scrambled eggs, roasted vegetables, or even plain rice for an aromatic touch. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy the fresh, vibrant taste this powder brings to your cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.